Hi, today I'm doing another food product review. This time about this Barilla ready pasta, Rotini. It says fully cooked, no preservatives, all natural. Al dente, perfection in 60 seconds. Can you believe it? This package, it says, has 8.5 ounces, 241 grams. That's the net weight. I tried it before. And before I tell you what it tasted like, I'll let you know it says non-GMO project verified. And I'll show you the nutrition facts. Can you see? You usually can see it on the product page on Amazon. I got this from Amazon Prime. 6 packs I got. Let me show you the ingredients. It's water, pasta, semolina wheat, durum wheat flour, extra virgin olive oil and sea salt. You see? And I'll show you the nutrition facts again. Serving size about 1 cup, 121 grams. Servings per container is 2. I ate a whole pouch the other day, the whole thing. I was hungry. Calories 210 per serving, so of course you have to double that. Silly me. That means you get 420 milligrams of sodium if you eat the whole pack. There you go. Yes, they're from Barilla. I had a pesto sauce from Barilla. Amazon sent it to me. And I haven't had it in a while. But it was so really delicious. It says how to prepare it. First you open, of course, gently knead pouch to separate pasta. Tear to vent prior to cooking. So it doesn't get stuck together. For easy recipe ideas, visit us at barilla.com. So let me show you. Tear here. And I don't know if you saw earlier on the video, it says cool touch zone. So you don't burn your hands. We don't want that. So, second, heat. Remember, you don't need to cook it. They're already fully cooked. It says fully cooked. Ready pasta. You just heat them up. Caution, steam in pouch will be hot. Hot. Use cool touch zones when handling. So you just want to open it a little bit up here. You want to tear it up here a little bit. So just tear it up here a little bit. Otherwise it may just blow up. You don't know what it'll do. Are you hungry for rotini? What are you going to eat with it? Some special sauce, some meat. Some meat sauce. How do you like yours? With pesto maybe? That's how I like mine. Oh, I love pesto. And isn't it amazing? I love Barilla pesto. It's one of my most favorite ones. You say, oh, I don't have a microwave. Don't worry, don't worry. It says right here, you can heat it on the stove. Pour the pasta and 2 teaspoons of olive oil in skillet. Stir 2 to 4 minutes until heated, and there you got it. No problem. And of course, like we said, 3, add your favorite ingredients and enjoy. Done in the microwave. I'm gonna tear it on the other side. And voila. Hot, 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 hot. I'm gonna hold it here so I can tell you what they taste like. I'm waiting for that steam. I don't think you can see the steam. Let me show you. That's what they look like. Ooh, I dropped one or 2 or 3. Let's not waste those. They are wheat, Rotini. Like I said, I knew how they tasted like. And they're really al dente. I have to tell you, they could be a bit softer for my taste. It's good. Let's see. Can you see the steam? They're wheat. And I actually like that better, but like I said, they could be a bit softer for my taste. It's good. Let me tell you what Wikipedia says about rotini, okay? Let me show you. Rotini is a type of helix or corkscrew-shaped pasta. I didn't know how to say helix. The name comes from a 17th century Italian word meaning small wheels. Rotini is related to fusilli, I don't know how you say it, but has a tighter helix with a smaller pitch. Let me show you what it says here. It says they are only called Rotini in America, while the Italian name is fusilli. I don't know. Let's check it out on Google Translate how you say that. You can also hold it on the bottom. Now I know how to say that word. I hope I say it right. Fusilli. Fusilli. I don't speak Italian. It's good, like I said before. They could be softer. I hope you enjoyed another food product review from me. Thank you for watching.